Okay, welcome back to the Black Star Name channel. Today I smell something good with snail inside. So, what is it we're making today, Ma?
We're making Abunubunu nkwan, and we've got
That's what I thought you was making.
Yeah, we've got the ochinam, which is the deer. We've got deer here.
Flottier.
Deer. Is it ochinam?
Oh, you're talking about the meat?
Yeah, that's the base. So we're going to start with this one. Even though we're doing Abunubunu, the main flavor that we need in a soup is the snail. So it's going to be green. Abunubunu is green.
So what's the method of this snail?
Well, it's going to start with this ochinam, this one, and then I'll put in this.
So you're gonna boil the.
No, I'm going to do the normal procedure with onions to steam it with salt and steam it for a while, and then I would wash this adjune, the bottom of the, the bits and pieces left in the adjune, dry fish.
Okay.
And then I'll put it in whilst it's still steaming. I've got my tilapia here, fillet one. And then I've got mushroom. This one is oysters.
Oyster and shiitake.
And a tikka. Is it shiitake?
Shiitake, yeah.
Yes. So that is going to go in a soup as well. I'm not blending them. I'm throwing them in like that inside the soup. I've got kako here.
And what's that for those who don't know?
Kako is the fish. And I like because I want it to remain like a bush soup.
Bush meat soup.
Yeah, like a village. You know how they make soup and they flavor it with the fish. So this is more or less like a stinking fish. It stinks so bad. I've washed it, and this is going to be our green. Like you can use contumely, which is the cocoyam leaves. You can use a pure spinach, and then blend it in. So all ingredients are going to start with. The last one will be the green, which is the leaves. So I'm going to blend that one separate. When the soup is almost done, then I would add the green in.
Okay.
That's how we get
the green color.
Yeah. So
okay, so
we come back once it's in the process.
So the first step you said is the deer meat with the onion.
Yeah. Just steam it and a little bit salt.
Okay, so we'll come back after that point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Please. So what do we have here? We have the onion, the deer meat, the snail, the dry fish, and this has been boiling for about 30 minutes. And we've blended the spinach. We're just gonna go inside here and make the soup green.
But the snail's in there, that's the main.
Yeah, the main thing is the snail. It's not Abunubunu soup if there's no snail inside. And snail tastes nice. So you're gonna add the spinach.
Yes. Going to do my food first.
Okay. So there's a bit of a malfunction.
That is going on. Now can they see that broken?
Yeah.
Looking tight. So you see it when I put it on my fufu properly.
It's gonna be nice. It looks a bit thick.
Yeah, it's supposed to be because the water is still in. So I'm going to let it boil. As soon as it boils, just go flat again. But it needs to be boiled first because it hasn't. Yeah, just put it in. So as soon as it's boiled, it'll come down. But we have to come back anyway. I'm going to
So how long is this going to boil for?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, so to let people...
Not even 10 minutes. As it's on it. As soon as it start boiling, you're talking about 5 minutes. When it goes up, then I just turn it off.
Okay.
Just a quick. So about 5 minutes, we should come back whilst I'm doing my fufu. I'm starving at the moment. So
okay.
I've got to get on.
Alright, peace.
What is this?
Look at it. Are you looking at it?
Abunubunu.
No, Mom, this is just... This is my part. It's
I'm going to show one of the snail. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? That's what we call a snail. Abunubunu.
Gosh!
Whoa, can you see that snail? Oh. Abunubunu has to be fake.
There's only one word for that, Mom. Do you know what that is?
What is it?
Yak!
Yaka. Really?
I'm joking. I don't expect you to understand.
Yeah. I say Chelsea.
It doesn't mean anything.
I hope so. Yaka.
Yaka!
Oh, Yaka.
Yeah.
Is it Beyonce?
No, it's not Beyonce. It's just an ad-lib. It's just a sound that I make.
Oh, okay.
So if I see something I like, I go Yaka!
Oh, I see.
Anyway, that was unnecessary.
Yeah, it's got nothing to do with my Abunubunu.
But what I was trying to do is I'm trying to have a talk with the soup. You know?
Is the soup? Can the soup talk?
It
It
can't.
will talk when it's going
It's
down my
talking
throat.
to me right now. Can't you see the smoke rise? The vapor.
Can you show my fufu body fufu? Kakra. Kakra kakra because it looks so Teflon. Teflon, very nice and smoothie.
Yeah, for those who don't know.
Yeah. Ooh. Back to a bro.
You see, this is the soup you grew up on. That's why you never made us this soup that much.
No.
Because
My mom made so much of Abunubunu because snails in Asante region is the cheapest thing. You don't even have to buy. You can even go to a farm and collect them. So my mom used to collect so much and make sure that that is, whether there's money or there's no money, Abunubunu.
trust me.
If it's not green with a snail, then it's with
Abenkwan,
with a snail.
So you didn't get enough peanut. That's why when you came to this country.
Yeah, my mom didn't do that much.
Because when I grew up here, I was just thinking, why is she always making peanut?
Peanut this, peanut with chicken, peanut with
Katikwan, everything.
meat, ordinary, everything peanuts.
That's why now that I'm older, I do like peanut soup, but it's not my favorite because I had too much of it when I was young.
Oh, you liked it with coconut the way I trained you, remember? Coconut.
That was a long time ago. that was a long time ago.
Yeah, you remember when we went to Kumasi and then your grandma told my in-laws, my brother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, that oh, my grandson like coconut. They all left. Where did they go? They went to their house, make shopping, making sure they are all making. And come in the evening, there was how many coconut? 5 different soup of
but my grandma didn't let me eat any of it because
didn't trust them.
Yeah, they could be evil. You know, they're superstitious people.
What about you? Did you think that way? You was a kid.
I'm superstitious. I believe, you know, the fufu has some godly power inside. I believe that the soup and the fufu empowers the spirit of the Ghanaians to be strong.
You and your fufu.
I believe without fufu, it wouldn't be a great nation.
Are you crazy?
It will be a good nation, but it wouldn't be a great nation.
Oh,
I'm joking.
That is a big joke.
Of course it's a big joke.
Can you say that?
There's a lot of people.
What about the Kinky and all these people? What are you talking about?
Listen, I have a lot of respect for them. I was only joking.
Okay, now you're talking. Forgive him, my son.
Yeah, for Fachemi, yeah?
Yeah, Funny Bonnie channel.
Anyways. I don't hate the other foods. It's just I love fufu so much, I feel like I have to defend it. If it's helpless, it's vulnerable, people don't want to give it the name it deserves. See this right here? It's ready for graduation. Sometimes there's a time where I don't have anything to say. Like now, I don't have anything to say but to look at the soup.
It's called mouth watering.
Yeah, my mouth is watering.
Hey.
Salivating.
Wow. And Mom is so busy here. I have not eaten the whole day, and it's almost what time now? I think it's about.
So I come do, yeah.
Since morning up to
hunger is eating her.
6 o'clock. Starving. I'm in a hurry. Yeah. Whoa.
You see how the fufu is done, people?
Yeah, that's Mommy's fingers and hands going inside the fufu. Now to make it eatable.
See, I've been watching this since I was standing where your, kotodri is. Where your knees are. And I remember her doing this.
Yeah, I do that. It makes the fufu very easy to eat.
Those times fufu wasn't my favorite. I'm gonna be honest. Actually, that's hard to admit, but yeah. Once upon a time, fufu wasn't my favorite. But that's when I was 5 years old. Okay. When I saw the strength that fufu was giving me by the time I was 12, I was a fufu convert.
That's it. I'm going to put the soup on. You go gumedrian in the soup. Do you mind?
Sorry.
Panimupa me ya diane na jina wa se biaka. Ebe ni biaka.
Kafra.
I come so de me jina wa se biaka. I'm starving. I'm eating in Asante.
You understand, the biaka and the kaish, they're all influenced from Ghanaian expressions. They're not Ghanaian expressions, but there's heavy influence.
Oh, with the mushrooms and things. Oh, I'm putting one of the snail inside my soup.
Gee, if only there was crab.
Oh, No, we didn't. I'll do crab soup.
No, not crab soup. I mean, just crab inside it.
Yeah, that would have been. Whoa.
Hey!
But the flavor with this one now is unbelievable.
Graka! Alright, I'll stop, sorry.
Because there's otrinam.
Sorry.
There's a meat called deer inside it.
This is hard
There's
to watch.
a lot of them in it. It's amazing. Oh. That's the nkwan. Oh, my snail.
Wait a minute, you've taken all the snails, Mum.
No, I've got a couple inside it.
Okay.
I'll give you some.
I won't eat mine straight away.
Why? I know.
Yeah.
Don't say no.
I betrayed my fufu. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, chicken and chips.
Chicken
So
and
you're
chips.
too full up now.
I'm too full of, I can't waste fufu. When I waste fufu, I feel like I have to do like 1,000
That's
press-ups.
your one. So let's have a look what you have in here. On your soup, in your fufu. We got otrinam, which is the deer. We then have the snail. Oh, there's a bit of kako there.
Don't you want the cacao?
No, not really. Probably got some in mine already.
Okay.
So.
And for those who are wondering why the camera shakes at times, it's not as easy as it looks. And plus, when my mouth is watering and my eyes are gawping at the food, and the smell, the smoke is hitting my nose, it's punching my nose. Not even hitting my nose, it's punching.
That's your one, son.
That's when the camera shakes.
When you're ready.
In fact, if the camera don't shake, the food is not good. I'm joking.
So that's yours, bon appetit. I've got this one.
For Yao. The small boy. Even though he's the tallest, he's the skinniest.
The meat. Oh, I'm putting a bit more on my one. Man,
I'm not gonna lie, Mum.
to make a pick of
Yours
it.
is looking nice.
It is mine. So what do you expect? I cook it myself. So I am pepper and sakora. The one who does it does not do without it, you know. At least I should get the best part.
What is that, babusum?
Yeah. Oh, abrabunkwai. Reminds me when I was younger.
I'm telling you, my titi Fufuo will be so proud.
Yeah.
Seeing.
For my mom and my grandma and all the. They would have been proud.
See this right here? This
You
right
make
here?
sure you eat your fufu tonight, you know, because I'm not going to allow it to be a waste.
Listen, Mum. It will never be wasted. I could never do a sin like that. I will get down on my knees and ask for forgiveness. This is not a joke. Those who waste fufu out there, it's best not to tell me. It could be the end of our friendship. I wish I could take that back, but I'm not joking. Do not waste fufu in my presence. One time my little brother wasted fufu and... well, I could just about call him my brother. Remember, Fufuo is my mistress.
Do you mind? What do you miss your mistress?
My mistress.
I need grandchildren, you know. How can it be me? You want it to be your miss in the future.
I mean, fufu in
I'll
general.
leave it then.
Oh, okay. Mom's getting hungry now.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you like,
Yeah. My fufu is
subscribe.
working
If you
too.
don't like, please say why. Peace. God bless.
Bye bye.
Bye.